Let's be honest. Single sign-on is the gold standard for access, but it doesn't cover everything. API keys, AWS tokens, SSH keys, and environment variables. These are the credentials running your infrastructure, and they can't go behind a standard login screen. Too often, they end up in Slack messages, plain text files, and hard-coded scripts. IT has zero visibility, and single sign-on can't help. Let's take a common scenario. Here, I'm logging into a developer machine to show that an SSH key exists here. A developer uses an SSH key to access production infrastructure for low-level debugging. That key is powerful. It's direct access to your production environment. And right now, you see it sitting as a plain text file on your work laptop. No encryption, no access control, no audit trail, just a file. Before we go any further, two things need to be in place. The 1Password desktop app with the SSH agent enabled, and the 1Password command line interface. Once those are installed, importing your existing key is a single action. One method is to open the developer Watchtower in the app, where it discovers your unsecured plain text SSH key. Simply click Import, and it imports directly from the existing key file on the disk. 1Password reads it, vaults it, and from this point forward, that plain text file is secured. Once it's imported, look at what you get. The key type, fingerprint, and public key are all surface and structured, ready to copy directly to any service that needs it. The private key is encrypted and never exposed, and because it's in a vault, it's shareable. You can grant a teammate access to this key without ever handing them a file. To demonstrate this, I'll connect to a developer box, and you'll notice it's not asking for a password because it's logging in using the RSA key that we previously vaulted in 1Password. And now you can see that the SSH key was imported from the 1Password vault. Security shouldn't slow developers down. With the 1Password command line interface and secrets automation, secrets are never hard-coded. They're injected directly into workflows at runtime. Developers run their script, 1Password fills the secrets, nothing ever touches the file system in plain text.